Don't allow yourself to be overwhelmed by the energy that's present within your body right now. Don't allow yourself to be overwhelmed. Don't allow yourself to be controlled by the energy that's present within your body right now. So right now, Spirit is having this conversation with me about how it's possible that you could be misinterpreting the energy that is present. And that is the reason why you are feeling overwhelmed. That is the reason why you are feeling the energy, seeing the energy, and allowing it to control you. Your thoughts are being controlled by it, right? And your thoughts aren't necessarily being controlled by the energy that's present. Your thoughts are being controlled by the misinterpretation. So you're looking at the energy and you're misinterpreting it, and your interpretation is what is causing you to feel overwhelmed and anxious. So Spirit wants me to shed some light on what it is that could really be happening, which, if you hear the words, if you take it in, if you sit with it, it could actually help you break free. It could actually help you break through this moment of overwhelm that you're experiencing. Because one of the words that is coming through is lackadaisical. So Spirit is showing me that you could be feeling or experiencing this feeling of or this lackadaisical energy could be present for you right now, right? You don't really feel enthusiastic about anything. I'm also hearing and seeing that part of the reason why you feel overwhelmed is because you don't feel motivated at this time. You don't feel inspired or motivated. And Spirit wants you to hear that part of the reason why you don't feel inspired and motivated is because you are no longer attached to anything outside of yourself. You no longer have any attachments to anything outside of yourself, meaning outside of the essence of who you are. You no longer have any attachments. There are no external things that have your attention in the way that they used to, right? So you are no longer attached to anything outside of yourself. And this disconnect, this disconnect is causing you to experience this lackadaisical energy or feeling, right? Where you don't feel enthusiastic, where you don't feel excited or motivated or inspired. And Spirit wants you to hear that the reason why you don't feel inspired, the reason why you don't feel motivated is because your inner being has already processed the fact that nothing in the external world can inspire or motivate you. And the reason why that is because your inner being is in control. Your inner being defines this entire experience for you, not the material world. Nothing in the material world defines this life experience for you, and you're starting to feel that. You're starting to feel that. And this is why the lackadaisical energy might be present for you, because you're mentally and emotionally, you are finally succumbing to the viewpoint of your inner being. Mentally and emotionally, you are finally succumbing to your soul's point of view, right? And so right now, what's happening is that you're in this in-between phase. Like, you're in this in-between stage where you can feel that you're succumbing to your soul's point of view, but then your mind is also like, but there's something for me to do, right? But there's something for me to do. There's some action for me to take. There's something for me to grasp onto, for me to cling onto. But most perfect place right now. And Spirit wants you to hear that. Spirit wants you to hear that you are in the most perfect place right now. This space where you feel unmotivated, where you feel uninspired, where you feel like nothing really makes sense. Spirit wants you to hear that that is the place that you are supposed to be in right now, right? And it's not because you're not supposed to be living an inspired life. The reason why you're feeling that is because you are being called to let go of the external attachments. And in letting go of the external attachments, that means that that means that the things that used to resonate with you and kind of boost you up, they no longer resonate with you. They no longer have the ability to boost you up because you're no longer living, or I should say, the way that it's coming through is because you're no longer swimming in the shallow end. Those things had the ability to boost you up because you were swimming in the shallow end. And now your spirit is calling you, right? You've learned how to swim, and now you're swimming in the deep end. Now you're swimming in the deep end, right? So going back to the idea of you are succumbing to your soul's point of view. You are succumbing to your soul's point of view. So if you have been misinterpreting the energy, if you have been feeling overwhelmed or anxious, if you have been feeling uninspired or unmotivated, again, remember that, first of all, Spirit is saying you are in you are in the perfect place right now, okay? And then I also want to remind you that it's important for you to practice grounding techniques. It's important for you to ground yourself right now, right? What are those things that you find yourself doing in order to center yourself, in order to calm yourself down, in order to come back to reality, right? Because when you get overwhelmed, when you get anxious, you're no longer here. You're no longer present. So what are those things that kind of pull you back into the present moment? What are those things that kind of take you out of your mind and back into your heart? It's time for you to really lean on those things, right? It's time for you to really lean on those things, bring those things back out of the toolbox so that you can, again, find your center. So that, not even so that you can find it, but so that you can remember your center. So that you can remember your center. So that you can gain some clarity. Because the clarity can't come through clearly if you are so overwhelmed and anxious and caught up in the mind and misinterpreting the energy, because that's what's happening right now, right? Spirit is saying that you're kind of seeing this energy as, again, you're seeing it as you're unmotivated or you're uninspired. No, you're not uninspired. You're not unmotivated. You're shifting. You're shifting away from needing to be or feel motivated. You're shifting away from needing to be inspired by something outside of yourself. That's what's happening. There's a disconnect that's happening. Again, you're detaching, right, from the need to be inspired or motivated by something outside of yourself. And you are actually in a space of succumbing to your soul's point of view. So stop misinterpreting the energy that's present. Instead, sit with it, ask it questions, learn from it, let it teach you, let it show you. Don't label it. Don't label it. Don't label it. I love you.